Actually responsible for opening savannah from bushland to grassland for the smaller animals. Now the plains game. Mm-hmm. So if we didn't have many elephants, the plains game would have no grass. Elephants feed on material that are also medicinal. Mm-hmm. So some people collect dry elephant droppings, dark, try to put it in water and get the water there, they get the solution, and they take that one and it becomes medication. Mm-hmm. And in Maasai culture, women are not allowed to cut green wood, trees. They only collect the dead ones, and they become dead after having been fed by elephants. Mm-hmm. They know how to dig water from the sand. Yeah. They just scoop sand and they get water and they take that. And I've seen in a very dry season, you find goats and even cows eating dry droppings of elephant because there's a lot of grass. Tourism. And tourism is one of the biggest foreign exchange earner in Kenya. Elephants and other animals benefit communities through ecotourism. I know the secrets of conservation, and one is elephant is the main animal. Once you protect an elephant, you have protected all other animals.